Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I am going to show how to find the inactive vendors in SAP. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. In the command area, we need to enter the transaction code S_ALR_87010043. Transaction code and path I am displaying on the screen. Now click on the enter button. Enter the basic details such as company code, periods including or excluding special periods. Enter the fiscal year. Now select the accounts with no purchases. Now click on the execute button. Yes, here we can see the all the active and inactive vendors. Press the page down key. Here we can see the both active and inactive vendors. See here, it is showing the active vendor in this line. I will explain further how this report works. I have newly created vendor. Just enter that vendor. Press enter key. This vendor I don't have any purchase orders. Let us see how this report works. Just remove this checkbox. Now click on the execute option. It is not showing anything. Now I will create the one purchase order and check this one how this will work. Save the purchase order and check. Enter the vendor. Now click on execute option. Still this report not showing the any data. Now I am going to do the goods receipt. Click on post and check the report. Enter the vendor, periods, fiscal year. Click on the execute option. Still it is not showing. Now I will do the invoice. Now I am going to save this invoice. My invoice value is 1100 euro. Click on simulate. Now post it. Now I am going to check the report. Come back. Now click on the execute option. Yes, my report now showing the transaction. Just come back. Remove the vendor, put the company code, periods and fiscal year. Just click on the execute option. Yes, my report now showing the required result based on my input values. This report helps to purchasing officer to take the decision whether block the inactive vendors or continue the business with the inactive vendors. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.